Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here, my name is Laura Gessa. Welcome to the gang. In my channel, we always just have fun. So if you're here and you're not a fanatic, ebu vangu za kukua fanatic, because my channel is fun and content after content. Remember to subscribe, support me. But anyway, thank you for clicking this video. Thank you for coming here to support me. So today is yet another day. Though it's evening, I've been having a lot of business meetings and stuff. Your girl is out there chasing the bag. I wish you could have seen me chasing the bag. So I want to do this is going to be a short vlog, but I want to take you through my room tour. Ooh la la, as I told you, this is the door. So when you enter the door, the first thing you see is the bed, and I just love the way, I love the red and the way it's cotton. Like I just love it. The bed is just simple. That's my wanted. I'm just from taking supper. Then kuna kanet pale, but I don't think I'll be using it. Then kuna ka wall decoration hapa. I love art. So kuna wall. Then the bed, I just love the way the bed is, and the room is just comfy. Then there's this place here that you can put some of your stuff, like mimi nimeka maji nini na nini. This is another place though it's not that arranged. Ni kitu yangu cha niweke hii hapa. So I think hizi ni vitu zangu. Then there's a dustbin here in case of anything. Here tissue, sabuni, nguo yangu. That is my bag. Someone told me travel light and travel comfortably. So from there, I'll show you the cutting. Inakaa supu. Like the room iko too bright enough. Like unaona tu vitu poa. So from there, from the door, there's a TV here. I think inafanya kazi, but mimi sija watch TV. I think I'm more of vitu za kuweka. Yeah, the TV is on. There's no signal. I think imezimwa, but I'll try connecting it. So hapa kuna TV because I was told inafanya hot shower, everything here. Uko nikwenda kwa bafu. Then there's a seat here, you can sit hapo hivyo. Then that is me. I don't know. The camera is doing me a lot of injustice. Camera and lighting, they're doing me a lot of injustice, but that is me. Nakwanga nimebeba, si ndio? Nakwanga mahali, so that is me. This is an official cloth, but zile zinapanda. This is how I dressed today. My nails. Peeps, my nails. They're cute, I know. And mind you, these are my natural nails. Nikieka hivi ndo mnaweza kosa kuamini. These are my natural nails, and I did them my own self. Like I always do my nails. So these are my natural nails. Za miguu pia zinakuanga rembo. Naonyesha nini? So my natural nails, guys. I always do them myself. Sometimes I go to that, but I prefer doing them myself. These are my natural nails, and they're cute. Siringi. Then there kuna slippers hapa. Then this is my bathroom. Hapo kuna choo. Then the bathroom, I love the way the bathroom ni kubwa. It's a huge bathroom, so, and a sink there. So guys, that has been my room, and it's quite a small video, but your girl is chasing the bag. Trips after trips, business trips. Aki, I'm so proud of the place I work. Aki, if I'm given an opportunity to work there, I will not hesitate. Like, I will go for it and really go for it. But that has been it, guys. I want to change, wear my night dress, stay around, maybe chat one or two things, call my mom, call my guy, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sijui ni nini na ni kuna hapa, but hairstyle. Sijaonyesha hairstyle yangu. Let me do a selfie video ndo muone hairstyle. But that is, I just love the bed, guys. I just love the bed. Then venye inakaa chini, unaona venye flow inakaa poa. So guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. My hairstyle isn't. Actually, this ball is doing me a lot of injustice, but na pia lighting. But I think I'm just chasing the bag. I might do a morning routine, going for a business trip. So stay tuned. Bye bye.